Hey everyone, welcome back to Affiliates Den. This is Danish, and today I bring you a quick update about my downline. And if you remember in my last video, which was the weekly update video, I had shown you the bonus that I had received from my lead gen, the superstar bonus, $100, because I was able to enroll over 5 people. Uh, During I think 7 days period. Yes, uh, that's the benchmark for superstar bonus. And after that, I received a recurring commission from last month enrollment. So that was the last update. And today I just received a downline referral bonus for $4, because if you receive a downline, one of your referrals make a sale, you don't get $5, as I've mentioned in my previous videos. So I received $4 for sign up and $4 for OTO one-time offer. So it's pretty reassuring that whoever you sign up can also make a sale, and you can receive commission on the basis of their sales. If you see over here, 4 downline sales, 4 direct sales, 11 direct sales, and total amount so far that I've made is $238. I've requested for a payout of $230, which I haven't received in my bank account because it's an international wire transfer. It takes 4 to 5 business days, and it's been only 3 days. So fingers crossed. I'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.